So we wanted to deliver a high-performance, low-cost, low-power solution to democratize VR, which can make VR possible for anyone who wants it. It can drive VR into retail. It can hit system price points, PC price points that can be everywhere in retail. And it can grow the market to over 100 million consumers. And also drive VR application development, content development in a large-scale fashion. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm really proud to announce the passion, persistence, play of the Radeon Technology Group. We have a product that just does that. And without further ado, this is the Radeon RX480 that delivers VR to the masses. And the best thing about it is premium VR starting at $199. And this card is beautifully built. It actually is built like a $500 premium card. If you look at the design of it, the thermal solution of it, the airflow of it are all designed as a really expensive high-end card. You can see these designs in our premium cards from the last generation. So we brought a premium design and a premium quality experience to affordable price ranges. So that is Radeon RX480. Like I mentioned, the PC gaming community are passionate about their hardware. They'd like to know more. They'd like to know what's inside it. So what's inside an RX480? We have over 5 teraflops of computing in this beautiful card. And we chose the computing and the bandwidth and the specification of the card based on what the content developers are going to tune for over the next 3 to 4 years. So we didn't make it a card that is just for this year. This is a card for the next 3 to 4 years with our deep understanding of the content pipeline, what is coming. It also has advanced display technologies. It has the HDR support. It's the first display card with 1.4 HDR specification. It is the GPU for the immersive era. And beyond the specifications, it is also our most power-efficient GPU ever. It's up to 2.8x performance per watt improvement over our prior generation. It's enabled by both the FinFET technology that we work with and also architectural improvements. Amazing performance improvement. So wait, I spoke about VR, but what about gaming? Radeon RX series also delivers powerful gaming. As you all know, we have been pioneering gaming APIs. We have invested in Mantle, which inspired DirectX 12, which gave birth to Vulkan. And we also made a revolutionary initiative called GPU Open. Why? Remember the goal of bringing the console-class gaming to the PC? That's what we have done. We started this investment several years ago, and they are paying off. Hardware is only half the story about PC gaming. Software is more than half the story, and that software investments we made several years ago are paying off. It's amazing to see the kind of DirectX 12 performance on these cards. You'll also see today some really interesting Vulkan performance. Along with DX12 and Vulkan, we also have the AMD FreeSync to deliver smooth frame rates. The asynchronous compute feature of the GCN architecture. We have more and more titles taking advantage of this feature and delivering substantial frame rate advantage over our competition. And we also have premium multi-GPU support, and you'll see more coming in our multi-GPU support rest of the year. So this card is designed to run premium gaming experiences like Battlefield 1 that you're watching in the back. So wait, this is a season for Doom, right? So no video card launch can be complete without something about Doom. So let's watch what the developers of the Doom software, the Doom game, have to say about Polaris. Let's roll the video, please.
Thanks for having us, and we're sorry we can't be there in person, but we're back here today working on a number of updates for Doom, and specifically Doom running on Vulkan.
Vulkan is a modern API with roots in AMD's Mantle technology, and it provides real benefits to both us as developers and the large community of gamers using a wide range of hardware. For us, we can run much closer to the metal, which directly translates to speed. Speed is king, and we anticipate this breathing new life into older graphics cards already in the market, as well as providing 200 frames per second plus on modern high-end cards.
Where this really starts to shine is with a new chipset like Polaris. Polaris is affordable, has ultra-low power consumption, and runs Doom very fast. Gamers can look forward to a buttery smooth experience in Doom on Polaris, supporting a wide range of hardware and gamer budgets. Want to play Doom on your laptop on the train home? Polaris plus Vulkan is going to make that possible.
When you factor in additional AMD features like true asynchronous compute, custom intrinsic instructions, and combine those with the raw speed of IDTech 6, we believe the experience on AMD will be hard to beat across all hardware. These features are currently exclusive to AMD chipsets, and combined with what we've already done in Vulkan, will bring performance to an even higher level across a wide range of hardware. We are also hard at work on HDR support in IDTech 6. We don't quite have anything to show yet, but we expect Doom to look fantastic in HDR on AMD.
Bottom line is, you're not going to need a $700 video card to enjoy Doom at fantastic frame rates.
So bottom line is you're not going to need a $700 graphics card to enjoy Doom. And you have heard many interesting things from the developers. Exclusive features only available on Polaris. Asynchronous compute, shader intrinsics. This is the promise of bringing the console quality performance, console quality features onto the PC. Amazing, amazing, amazing what they have done with a very power efficient and a very affordable solution. Now, I know many of you have this question. But what else can you do with a $700 solution? There are $700 solutions out there, some of which have been recently launched. You know, if you can play Doom for $200, what do you do for $700? I mean, you know, graphics is amazing. There is always something more to do. So we looked at what can you do for a $700 solution, right, with some of the content available today. You know, you can play some premium VR. Actually, let's switch to the video, cut to the video before I get to the numbers. Cut to the video. Actually, it's not the video, by the way. These are live cards running. Two systems. One system is $700. I'll tell you what the other system price is in a second. Both running a premium DX12 experience, Ashes of Singularity. And the one on the right is the $700 solution, okay? And the one on the left is something much better. I'll tell you what it is in a second. As you can see, both kind of, you know, sort of seem to deliver, you know, similar performance. You know, maybe if you're some of the people with really crazy eyes who can spot millisecond differences on screen, maybe you'll be able to figure out the precise frame rates. So let's see actually what frame rates these things are running and what performance they're delivering. So you have the $700 solution delivering 58.7 FPS. You can call it kind of reasonably smooth, 60 FPS, close to 60 FPS. And we have a dual 480 delivering 62.5 frames per second, but that's not the story. The story is the dual 480 costs below $500. And that's not even the half of the story, because the dual 480 is actually only being utilized 51%. It has more headroom versus the $700 solution, which is sweating, right? 98.7% fully occupied So we have much, much more headroom as the developer tunes for the new APIs and as we tune the drivers for the new Polaris GPU. So that brings to conclusion my Polaris unveil today. And Polaris architecture is a giant, giant step forward for PC gaming and VR. And what we have revealed to you today is its capability in VR and its price points. You will see a lot more information about the entire Polaris GPU stack coming out over the next few weeks. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. And also I want to thank all of the engineers who worked on Polaris tirelessly over the last 2 years to get us to this day. Thank you.